This is our honest review after using it for a while. Hope this video will help you and you'll decide is it suitable for you today. So let's get started.
If you're wondering whether Notion is still worth using for project management in 2026, I've been using it for about 6 months, and overall, I think it's one of the most flexible productivity tools available. The first thing I noticed was that Notion can be almost anything you want it to be. I use it for project tracking, task management, meeting notes, documentation, and even content planning, all in one workspace. One of the biggest advantages is customization. You can build dashboards, Kanban boards, calendars, databases, and team wikis exactly the way your workflow requires instead of being forced into a fixed structure. I also liked how easy it is to collaborate. Sharing pages, assigning tasks, leaving comments, and updating projects with teammates all happens in real time, which makes communication much smoother. The downside is that the flexibility can also be overwhelming. When I first started, I spent more time building my workspace than actually using it. If you're expecting everything to be perfectly organized from day one, there's definitely a learning curve. Another thing to consider is that very large teams with highly complex workflows might still prefer dedicated project management platforms that include more advanced reporting and automation right out of the box. One thing I'd pay close attention to is keeping your workspace simple. It's easy to create dozens of pages and databases that you never actually use. Building a clean structure from the beginning makes Notion much more effective over time. After 6 months, my conclusion is simple. Notion is absolutely worth using in 2026 for individuals, creators, startups, and many small to medium-sized teams. Its flexibility, collaboration features, and ability to combine notes, documentation, and project management into one platform make it one of the best productivity tools I've used, as long as you're willing to spend a little time setting it up properly.